Hello, friends. Good morning, everyone.
Good
I'm
morning.
Good
Raseshwari
morning.
Kulkarni, a walking, talking miracle of possibilities, an energy transformational coach. And it's morning today. And I'm just wondering that whether you guys be able to attend this live or not. But yes, सोचा गया कि अगर पेरेंट्स हैं तो मॉर्निंग में उठने की आदत पड़ गई है सबको बच्चों को संभालते संभालते। तो चलिए सुबह की शुरुआत इसी से करी जाए। बच्चे सो रहे होंगे और हम लोग पेरेंट्स जो हैं उठ के थोड़ा पेरेंट्स की रिगार्डिंग की थोड़ी सी बातें कर लें। तो इसी कॉन्टेक्स्ट में आज मैं अपने साथ बहुत सारे पेरेंटिंग एक्सपर्ट्स को लेकर यहाँ पे हाजिर हुई हूँ। एंड आई वुड लाइक टू इंट्रोड्यूस ईच वन ऑफ देम गाइस। एंड फर्स्ट, here is a beautiful lady, Ruby Vadwa, who's a
Good morning.
storyteller, and वो अपनी कहानियों के साथ ही इतने अच्छे से पेरेंटिंग के बारे में सबको समझाती हैं कि आपको पता ही नहीं चलता है कि कब आप पेरेंटिंग को बहुत आसानी से सीख गए। सो वेलकम रूबी। देन इज आलोक
Thank you
कुमार
for
जी।
inviting me.
या थैंक यू सो मच। आलोक कुमार जी, ही इज अ पेरेंटिंग बॉन्डिंग एक्सपर्ट। वो जानते हैं कि किस तरह से हम अपने बच्चों के साथ बॉन्डिंग क्रिएट कर सकते हैं। और इनका भी वही है कि अंदाज अलग है। बहुत कुछ ऐसा कहते हैं कि समझ ही नहीं आता कि कब कुछ ऐसा बोल गए, लेकिन या मिरेकल हैपेंस। तो वेलकम आलोक जी। देन इज आर कोच बीना यादव। शी इज अ रीपेरेंटिंग कोच। शी इज ऑल्सो मदर। एंड वेलकम बीना। उनका एक अलग फोटो है वो जहाँ पे पेरेंट्स भूल चुके हैं कि हम कैसे अपने बच्चों को समझाएं और उनको पेरेंटिंग ठीक से करें, तो वो आपकी लाइफ में दोबारा वो मोमेंट्स को क्रिएट करती हैं। ग्रेट टू हैव यू ओवर हियर बीना।
Thank you, Russ.
डॉक्टर रति चंद्रा, शी इज अ चाइल्ड साइकोलॉजिस्ट एंड अ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशनल कोच। She also deals with the kids, their psychology, and she knows how to transform the lives of the kids and as well as the parents and the bonding everything. Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much.
much. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity.
And Mahinder ji, yes, he is a P3 coach. Now, guys, don't ask me what is P3 coach. It's his specialization. And I would like Mahinder ji, if you can say just in 1 second, what is P3 coach?
P3 stands for Personal, Professional, and Parental.
Awesome. That's something new. And now is Kaniz Fatima. She's a relationship coach. She's a mother of 3 kids, a beautiful lady. And she knows how to handle kids. I won't say handle. She knows how to be a kid with kids. And she looks like a kid also. So thank you for Kaniz for being here.
Thank you. Thank you for your compliments also.
So guys, I would like to ask क्वेश्चन। सबसे पहले मैं रूबी जी को पूछना चाहूंगी। रूबी जी, कि आज के कॉन्टेक्स्ट, आज के टाइम में पेरेंट्स जो हैं उनका क्या रोल है? व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ पेरेंटिंग इन टुडेज कॉन्टेक्स्ट एज पर व्हाट इज योर व्यू अबाउट दैट?
Parenting coaches or just parenting?
पेरेंटिंग, और यू कैन से कोचेस, इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन, इट इज वन एंड द सेम थिंग।
Right. For every little thing, we have a consultant, the travel consultants, the health consultants, and uh, there are so many consultants existing. But when we talk about parenting, uh, child comes to us without a manual, and I'm sure parents are not equipped to handle the baby. So I think there's a need of parenting coaches as well. If we go to them, they can direct us specifically how to handle their stress related problems, their behavior problems, their developmental issues. Then there are so many other practical problems. Then there are so many transition crises happening, how to handle that also. Parents are settling down in their lives as well, and yes, children are also growing at the same time, and to be equipped with some specific solutions to bring them up beautifully. Then you know uh, s- one has to be specific. There may be a, you may be going on and on with the problem, but there are some specific solutions to it. Probably the coaches have met up so many other parents, and yes, they know the stories of many other parents. So what needs to be done, they can guide you very beautifully, and that problem is resolved. So specific is terrific. So we definitely need coaches to help us, handle those problems. there's a very small thing I would like to share here. एक आदमी का की गाड़ी खराब हो गई. He went to a technician to get it, done. तो क्या हुआ, उसने बोला कि जरा चेक करना, और उसने बस एक हैमर कहीं पे लगाया और ठीक हो गया. तो उसे बोला कि कितने पैसे, उससे बोला 500 रुपए. अब 500 रुपए उसको लगा, जस्ट एक हथौड़ा लगाने के 500 रुपए मांग रहे हो. तो उससे बोला, हथौड़ा कहाँ लगाना है उसके 500 रुपए. सो एग्जैक्टली दैट हैपेंस विद द पेरेंटिंग कोचेस ऑल्सो. एक छोटी सी प्रॉब्लम है, उसका छोटा सा सोल्यूशन है, तो क्या करना है उस टाइम पे, दे कैन डायरेक्ट यू.
That's beautiful. The way you actually narrated it, कि specific is terrific and हथौड़ा कहाँ पे लगाना है. Wonderful. एंड जो पेरेंटिंग कोच का यही हमारी लाइफ में है कि उनको पता है कि कौन सी जगह पे उनको कैसे उस चीज को हथौड़ा लगाना है. दे आर लाइक द हथौड़ा एंड दैट स्पेसिफिक पॉइंट. दैट्स वंडरफुल, अमेजिंग.
वेयर टू हैमर देम.
Yes, where to hammer actually. So, Dr. Rati, I would like to ask you that, according to you, what do you think? When should you approach? When should a parent should approach a parenting coach?
See, actually, we never approach the doctor always when we have a pain. हमें जब दर्द हो हम तभी डॉक्टर के बारे में ना सोचे. हम अभी हेल्थ न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट के पास क्यों जाते हैं? एक अच्छी हेल्दी लिविंग के लिए. सेम वे पेरेंटिंग कोच के लिए देयर आर नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर्स कि पेरेंट्स आर अंडरगोइंग लॉट्स ऑफ स्ट्रेस, लॉट्स ऑफ देयर ओन लाइफस्टाइल चेंजेस, एंड तो उनके लिए दे फील कि एक अच्छी पेरेंटिंग के लिए हमें क्या करना चाहिए. एंड पेरेंटिंग कोचेस आर द सॉल्यूशंस. दे प्रोवाइड सर्टेन टूल्स जिससे उनकी जो पेरेंटिंग है डेली लाइफ की वो इजी हो जाती है. मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इज डेवलपमेंट बच्चे की, कि उसकी फिजिकल, इमोशनल, सोशल डेवलपमेंट बहुत अच्छी हो जाती है जो पेरेंटिंग कोचेस हेल्प देम आउट. Then is the major point is the behavioral issues which is coming up with the kids, कि they are now in aggression. बच्चे बहुत ज्यादा गुस्से में रहते हैं. बच्चे सिबलिंग राइवलरी रहती है बच्चों की आपस में. हम लोग भी थे, दो जन लड़े पहले के टाइम में, थोड़ी देर बाद इकट्ठे हो जाते थे. बट नाउ डेज सिबलिंग राइवलरी सो मच कि पेरेंट्स कैन नॉट हैंडल. बच्चे एक दूसरे भाई बहन का, सगे भाई बहन का शक्ल नहीं देखना चाहते, बात नहीं करना चाहते. देन इज डिफाइंस कि वो बहुत ज्यादा पेरेंट्स को मना कर देते हैं, डिसोबे, नहीं वी डोंट वांट. तो देयर आर सर्टेन बिहेवियरल इश्यूज जब पेरेंट्स को लगता है कि यस वी शुड and they should consult a parenting coach. It's not they're going for some treatment, it's they are going approaching for a good and healthy parenting and relationship with their child, to have best parenting practices. कि क्या ऐसे टूल्स हैं. देखो स्पेशलिस्ट है ना, कंसल्टेंट्स हैं. अभी हम सलून्स जाते हैं. व्हाई डू वी गो टू द सलून्स? आवर मदर नेवर बीन टू द सलून्स, because we know that whenever we go to a saloon, we'll have specialists over there who would make ourselves beautiful. Same way, when we go to a parenting coach, they would give us certain tools which would make our life happy with our kids, the relationship with our kids. And nowadays, one more factor is very important, कि when parents are going under transition mode or the crisis mode, जब parents का आपस में कोई division हो रहा है या कोई crisis चल रहा है, तो सबसे ज्यादा जो इफेक्ट आता है वो आता है बच्चों के ऊपर, बच्चों की अपब्रिंगिंग के ऊपर. तो क्या उस केस में पेरेंट्स को पेरेंटिंग कोच या कोई स्पेशलिस्ट के पास जाकर कुछ ऐसे लेने चाहिए टैक्टिक्स जिससे बच्चों की लाइफ पर, पेरेंट्स की आपस में जो मर्जी हो, बच्चों के ऊपर कोई इम्पैक्ट ना आए. ये जो प्रैक्टिकल प्रॉब्लम्स हैं आज की डेट में, उसके लिए देयर इज नो हार्म दैट पेरेंट्स शुड अप्रोच अ पेरेंटिंग कोच and find a solution, a healthy solution for a healthy parenting relationship with their kids. Thank you so much.
That's beautiful. That's beautiful. That actually, if parents would approach a right parenting coach, a good parenting coach, whatever. I won't get into the good and bad, but still, a parenting coach, he or she can groom everything,
Yes.
right? It is grooming your relationship and taking care of their kids and everything. That's beautiful.
And
Thank
they'll
you.
have their happy living for themselves also in this stressed life, you know.
Yes. And it's also like, you know, जैसे हम बोलते हैं कि prevention is better than cure, तो
Yes.
जरूरी नहीं है कि वो आप उस
हाँ, हम
जगह पे पहुंच जाएं. Yes, that's true. Thank you so much.
well,
And now I like to ask Mahinder जी कि अभी रति जी से बात करते हुए मेरे मुंह से निकला अचानक कि राइट कोच, राइट पेरेंटिंग कोच. तो आई थिंक आपसे अच्छा कोई नहीं बता सकता कि व्हाट इफ समबडी डोंट हैव अ how to identify the right parenting coach.
So first of all, thank you, Ras, for bringing such an important topic for the discussion today. And I'm very grateful for that. And this is a very tricky question. Very, very tricky question. Because there's no one direct answer to it. There's no right and wrong. It's very experiential answer. But let me tell you, as Dr. Rati and Ruby ji also mentioned, today is the greater need more than ever of having a parenting coach with you. And it's very, very important that you are able to identify the right parenting coach. Now, how to identify a right parenting coach? Why this question is coming up? Because number one, people are not aware about the parenting coach. When they get to know about parenting coach, they know that there are some people who can help them. Then the second question comes, whom to reach out? And whether I'm approaching this person, who will he be or will she be able to help me in a right manner, or whatever advice whether they are giving, is it right and appropriate for my child? Those are the questions which keeps on coming up in people's mind, in parents' mind. So as I mentioned, there are no direct answer, but there are certain validation that you can do. The number one thing that I always look for in any of, because I also have a lot of coaches for me. And when I became in parenting coach, I reach out to some of the domain experts who have specialized in their respective domain. So for example, in our group, we have somebody who's a bonding expert, somebody who takes care of the anger management issue, somebody, okay. So somebody who takes care of a teenage issue. So whenever you're approaching a parenting coach, look for the domain experts, because in this personal development industry, it's not very organized sector. And there's no one single authority which validates, okay, these are the certified people, these are the only people who can do it, unlike psychology, because psychiatrists, psychologists, they have a formal body who approves their work. They have to go through a certain hours of training and practices, which enable them to get a license or, you know, a validation that they can now practice. But unlike that field, in parenting, many people, it's open market, right? It's an open thing. People usually become parenting coach out of their passion, out of their love for the children, and out of the help which they can offer. Yes, there can be two set of people. One set of people who have got domain expertise, they are visible online, you know, you can go and search for them, or somebody is referring to you. Most of the time, these are the people who either come to your school, colleges, or some or other friend are referring them to you. That's how you are able to validate. But there are a lot of good parenting coach. They don't believe in all the social media and online marketing, nothing. They don't have anything. They are only doing their work. So social media cannot be our only validation point, but somewhere you have to find out a coach with whom you can resonate. That's very, very important. If you cannot resonate, you will not follow the advice. Trust me. So find out the credentials. See if you can get some kind of validation through social media, online or offline. Also find out if they're offering any services, because most of the parenting coaches, they either offer their counseling or they do have their own programs. One of the best way to find out whether the parenting coach is right for me or my child is not, is to attend any of their either free programs or the paid program. That's where you are able to get a gist of what they are offering, and then of course you can approach them, for your one-to-one challenges. Those are the couple of points where you can validate the credential, credibility, thought process, principle, values of the parenting coach, and whatever resonate with you, go with those people. That's it from my side.
That's wonderful. You have given so many points that how one can actually identify a parenting coach. And that thing actually clicked when you said that always go with the person with whom you can resonate. That is very important. And being into energy, I can literally relate with that thing. This is something like, the person from whom you can get that energy. Yes, this is the one who can actually help us and we can resonate with that person. Thank you for bringing it so beautifully, Mahenderji. And yes, Mr. Alok is also there, who's a parenting bonding expert. तो आलोक जी, मैं आपसे ये जानना चाहूंगी कि अभी तो हमारी ये बात हो रही थी कि कैसे हम आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं, और लेकिन व्हाट इफ, अब क्या होगा कि अगर सच में हमारी लाइफ में पेरेंटिंग कोच नहीं है, व्हाट इफ यू डोंट हैव अ पेरेंटिंग कोच, थोड़ा उसके बारे में बताएंगे तो?
Sure, Riz. Thank you for bringing me on this panel, and thank you again for giving this question as well. Sadhguru asked in one of his session to a parent that how much long you want to be and carry your parenting journey. Somebody says 5 years, somebody said 10 years, somebody says 50 years. So there is no answer to it, but there is an ideal answer, and that ideal answer is you have to make your children entirely independent rather than being entirely dependent. When the child is born, it's entirely dependent on the parents, right? And you are there to handhold those children and make them independent, right? So this is journey. Parenting is a journey. If you don't have a right mentor to tell you what to do and what not to do, you'll be again doing everything on your own choice without knowing whether it is right or wrong, right? So I normally ask all the parents that, as rightly said here, there are people, there are experts who have spent a lot of time in graduating, getting an exposure to certain specific field, maybe like psychology or psychiatry or engineering, medical, whatever field you tell, right? So you spend a lot of time, maybe 4 years, 6 years, even more than that, studying and graduating. But what about parenting? Who certified you to be a parent? You are a parent just by the virtue of your own biology, right? And when you produce a baby, you are like, अब क्या करें? बच्चा तो आ गया संसार में और उसके बाद आपको पता ही नहीं होता. Reason being, you are not equipped understanding what a parenting is. So if you don't have a parenting coach, you are stuck. आप समझते हैं कि it is just by default हो गया. सब कुछ by default नहीं होता दुनिया में. So you learn everything, and by virtue of learning, you gain that experience, you apply in your life. Parenting में लोग समझते हैं कि parenting तो कुछ है ही नहीं. हम बड़े हो गए, हमारी शादी हो गई, हमारे बच्चे हो गए, बच्चे पल भी जाएंगे. But this दुनिया is not like this. अभी का समय ऐसा नहीं है. एक समय होता था जब हम ऐसी चीजों में पल जाते थे. हम सब ऐसे पले हुए हैं. हमारे पेरेंट्स ने कभी पेरेंटिंग नहीं सीखी क्योंकि उस समय जॉइंट फैमिली होती थी, 10 लोग होते थे. Somebody could have fill the void. यदि माँ बाप से कुछ मिस हो रहा है तो नाना नानी, दादा दादी, चाचा मामा मौसा, मतलब there would be n number of relations जो उसको फुलफिल कर देते थे. अभी क्या न्यूक्लियर फैमिली है, मम्मी पापा ने मिस किया तो बच्चे के लिए entirely मिस हो गया. So you need to have a mentor, I would say, a mentor who teaches you how to take care right from even pre-birth, I would say, right from the inception of the baby till the time he is entirely independent. Okay, so आपको एक mentor चाहिए. And you must have seen in any field, चाहे वो games हो, sports हो, आज हिमा दास या दुती चंद की बात करें, पीटी उषा is there. साइना नेहवाल की बात करें तो हर कोचेस there. सचिन तेंदुलकर की बात करें, उनके भी कोचेस हैं. So everybody has a mentor, and a mentor's work is to tell what is right, what is wrong. Parenting में हम समझते हैं कि हम जो कर रहे हैं सब सही ही है. Actually it is not the fact. So अभी क्या होता है, पेरेंट्स चैलेंज महसूस तो करते हैं, बट बिकॉज ऑफ देयर ओन लिमिटेशंस दे डोंट स्पीक अप. वो आते नहीं है कि मेरे को ये हेल्प चाहिए. Wherein if you have a good parenting coach, if you are really have a good जैसे महेंद्र जी ने बोला कि if you resonate with him, that parent would be coming to those coaches to ask कि मेरे को ये हो रहा है, नहीं, I want a solution towards it, and that coach has the ability to tell in the right way to do it. So if you don't have it, आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि जो मैं कर रहा हूँ सही कर रहा हूँ कि गलत कर रहा हूँ. And there would be a time, एक टाइम ऐसा जाता है जब आप बच्चे के साथ बहुत दूरी बना लेते हैं. आपको लगता है तो मैं तो सही कर रहा हूँ, बच्चा मेरा है तो मेरे साथ उसकी बॉन्डिंग भी होगी, मेरे को वो समझता होगा, मुझे वो सुनता होगा, जो मैं कहूँगा वो करेगा. एक्चुअली होता नहीं है. जैसे एक समय आता है बच्चे अपनी दुनिया बना लेते हैं और उसके बाद आपसे इतनी दूर चले जाते हैं कि उसके बाद वापस लाना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. So you have to be there along with a mentor to tell you what you need to do in order to give a better upbringing of your children and make him, closer to your heart. जब तक बच्चा आपकी बात सुनेगा नहीं, और सुनेगा कैसे इसके बारे में लोग समझते नहीं है. सुनेगा तभी जब वो आपसे दिल से जुड़ा होगा. So when I talk about bonding, कहीं ना कहीं bonding plays a very crucial role in terms of communication, understanding, and creating a self-dependency in the children itself, just because the virtue of the parent says that you are there along with me and I'm there along with you. So I can speak about this for quite a long time, but understanding the situation and the limited time here, I'll tell you that you should be having a parenting coach in order to take you through this journey and giving you the better version of your child. That's it from my side.
थैंक यू सो मच आलोक जी. आपने थोड़े सी समय में बता दिया कि आप अपने बच्चों के साथ किस तरह से बॉन्डिंग क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, एंड इनडायरेक्ट वे में बता दिया आपने क्वेश्चन के साथ आंसर देते देते. दैट वाज ट्रूली अमेजिंग. एंड आपको मैंने ये पूछा था कि व्हाट इफ यू डोंट हैव अ पेरेंटिंग कोच, तो साथ के साथ आप बहुत सारा बता चुके हैं कि एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आर द बेनिफिट्स आल्सो. बट स्टिल आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क आवर गेस्ट टुडे, बीना जी, that could you say something about specific, that what are the exact benefits of a parenting coach?
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much, Rash. Good morning, everybody, all the experts here. See, everybody, all the experts present here have given wonderful tips, and they've brought out the points which, when parents will see this session, what we are doing today, there will be a lot of points which they will understand, which they may not even have thought of, right? So the first thing is, the first question the parents should ask themselves is, why did they become a parent? What was the reason they thought of having a baby? That is the first question they should ask themselves. What was the reason? Did they want to have someone whom they can control? Or did they have someone, did they think of having some life into this world who is independent, who is a self, who's an individual, who is having his or her own personality, right? Instead of you controlling them. So the first thing is, they should ask themselves, why did they have planned to become a parent, right? Now, once they know that, they introspect, then that comes into the picture, that what was the reason, and are they complying with that reason? Are they fulfilling that reason for which they became a parent? Here, how a parenting coach or an expert can contribute is, it helps you foresee quite in advance what could be the probable impacts of their parenting styles, of their communication styles, of their thoughts, and of their beliefs, what they're having, which they are downloading to their children. If all these things, what they are having on a day-to-day basis with the children, is it helping the child grow up into a complete individual, or are they imposing their own beliefs, their own controls, their own demands, their own expectations, which they haven't met in life? So that is a very, very conscious difference which the parents come to know when they have a parenting coach. Because sometimes in our day-to-day lives, in our work, in our stress, in our relationships, in the society, everybody gets, tied up in all these things. And these things might come out onto our children. So instead of waiting for an alarm, for some event to happen where you actually wake up, oh my God, what is this happening? Why is my child behaving like this? Instead of waiting till that, to have a parenting coach right from the beginning, in the initial years, right from 2 years or even 1 year old child, it's very important till the child is at least till 7 or 8 years old. Because once they're into teens, their mold is more than 50% already done, right? And they have to go in for reparenting. That is first you need to reparent yourself because of your own childhood, which you're bringing out with your child. And then if you haven't done it in the most effective way, by the time your child is teenage or maybe more than 20 years old, even your children may have to reparent themselves because they didn't get the right perspective, the right thoughts, the right beliefs, the right values in their childhood. So a parenting coach is really very important, very critical. You may not see the benefits because they are intangible, right? They are not tangible. The benefits which you have with a parenting coach are not tangible. You can't see your child after 20 years what he's going to be, right? But if you get that clarity, at least from someone who is experienced, someone who is an expert in that area, who is knowledgeable and who can see as a third person, it makes a lot of difference. So this is how
Yes,
it helps.
that's beautiful. And the way you said, if parents, if we are into the people are actually going to the parenting coaches and they are, taking their consultations and wherever it is required, and it will act. They don't require to be required to get into the reparenting,
True,
right?
true.
And it is like creating. Otherwise, you are going into that zone, creating a life again.
Exactly.
But if you have a right parenting coach, you can actually live those moments at that moment only.
Yes.
So that's so wonderful. Thank you for bringing that.
Thank you.
So now there is a beautiful mother who is still talking to her kids. I can see on the screen. And yes, I'm talking about Kanis Fatima. She's a relationship coach. So Kanis, I would like to ask you that you are a teacher also. So do you think that teachers can be a good parenting coach?
Well, thanks a lot for this question because it gets me back to my profession, teaching profession. That was a wonderful experience that I had. For more than a decade, I was dealing with children of all age groups, and here I also had an opportunity to, as a principal, I worked with teachers how to maintain, the relationship there and how to collaborate the parent, teacher, and the student life. So that was something, a unique experience which I had. So what happens is usually a good qualified highly effective teacher is the one who collaborates or he knows how to communicate with parents and children. So most often, children are not able to identify their own skills. Even parents are not able to identify the complex skills, the IQ level of the students, and so on. So when it happens, it is the teacher who brings that bond and who brings that link between the student and the parent. So if the teachers are trained in such a level that they are able to know how to communicate with people, how to communicate with the child and the parent, how to deal with the situation in a positive manner, how to ask questions like a counselor, like a pro. If that is there, I think the there is no need for any other approaching anyone else, but a good qualified teacher can take the position of a parenting coach, also a counselor, the best counselor she can be if she is able to. Because I have dealt with parents, I mean the teachers, who are qualified, who are experienced, but they have never applied whatever they have learned. There are people who do not have any qualification with their certification, but the level of that, the service mind what they have, they deal with parents and students in such a way that the lively bonding between these people are, it is reflected in the life of the student to become the successful student. I have seen this, I have experienced this, and I feel that if a good qualified teacher can do it, then she can be the best counselor. Usually what happens here is we do not plan, we usually plan when to become a parent, isn't it? We all plan when to become a parent. As Binaji said, planning is there, but how to become a good parent, nobody plans. When there is conception, no one plans actually what should I do when I take my child to the school, or what should I do when my child is born, how should I become a good parent. Nobody does, nobody plans that. So that's more important. And when these things are done, when we can streamline, a teacher can streamline all these perspectives and see that she can be a means to collaborate with the relationship, the people. She can collaborate with the child psychology as well as the parents perspective, whatever they feel like, because there are certain things where parents are not able to reflect. Certain fields parents are not able to reflect, maybe due to this pandemic or the period of transition, or maybe because of the financial problems, or maybe the social problems, or maybe because of the joint family. They are not able to concentrate more on their kids. But at this time, if a teacher can become a good counselor, a good coach, then she can really help the child and the parent. So this is what I had to say.
You are
Russ, you're on mute. You're on mute.
Sorry,
Russ.
guys. Sorry. I can actually resonate with what you said, and that's truly beautiful, because if teachers can identify what their kids or their students require, then it can also help students a lot. And yeah, and they can be a wonderful parenting coach. Reason being, they are actually coming across lot of kids, and they can actually get to know कि इतने सारे बच्चों की ये problems हो सकती हैं, instead of just focusing on one person, one kid. So there is a vast scope of getting into the psychology and getting to know each and everything. तो उनकी dealing बहुत different हो सकती है. Thank you for bringing up that.
I have a question, Russ.
Yeah, sure, Bina.
I wanted to know about you. Tell us about you now.
Oh, about me.
Yeah.
Okay, well, you guys know me as an energy transformational coach. That's what I do. And yeah, I deal with the parents also and kids also. And that is the reason I invited all of you to talk about the parenting. और क्योंकि मेरी ये सोच है कि सच में इस सोसाइटी को बहुत ज़रूरत है पेरेंटिंग की, कोचेस की. And these days, what to say, because I'm getting emotional. Since few days, I'm getting a lot of youngsters calls, and they are connecting to me, because after pandemic, suddenly everything was closed and people were not getting any live classes instead of online. So I went to few universities and recently also giving trainings. These college youngsters, they are so much into that trauma. Though they says that their parents are supporting them, but deep inside them, there's a lot of anger also, and that confusions that, they don't understand us. And what they are going through was literally so terrible. तो मुझे ये लगता है कि अगर people would know about the parenting,
True.
तो बच्चों को साइकोलॉजिकल चीजों की जरूरत नहीं पड़े, उन्हें साइकोलॉजी काउंसलिंग की जरूरत ही ना पड़े, एंड दे कैन एक्चुअली ग्रो विद देयर पोटेंशियल की जो उनमें है, इंस्टेड ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्टिंग देमसेल्व्स, contracting their energies on everything, and just into that, again going into that trauma and drama.
The reparenting cycle. See, the reparenting. The youngsters need reparenting again.
Yes.
Yeah.
And it's very beautiful if actually parents would acknowledge it. Yes, we require to know parenting, what exactly is parenting.
True.
तो अगर उनको वो चीज समझ में आ जाए, तो हमारी जो हम लोग बड़ी बड़ी बातें करते हैं ना, कि बच्चे जो हमारे देश का फ्यूचर है, हमारा फाउंडेशंस हैं, उस फाउंडेशन को हम स्ट्रॉन्ग करेंगे.
True.
And it can literally bring a lot of change in the society बिना कुछ effort के. तो I will suggest, you know, I would love कि वो trial and error method को हम छोड़ दें. ठीक है, जो हम लोग पुराने जमाने में हमारे पेरेंट्स वे सब करते जा रहे थे, बट जैसे कि आलोक जी ने बहुत ब्यूटीफुली समझाया ये चीज कि उस टाइम हमारे साथ घर में इतने लोग होते थे और तब वो बाउंडेशंस नहीं थी कि साथ वाले घर को नहीं पता कि हमारे घर में क्या हो रहा है. उस टाइम एक आई मीन होल सिटी वाज लाइक अ फैमिली. तो उस टाइम आपके पास बहुत सारे पेरेंटिंग कोचेस ऑटोमेटिकली होते थे, बट अब वो चीज नहीं है. सो वी रिक्वायर इट. तो अगर पीपल विल गेट टू नो एंड दे कैन एक्नॉलेज यस वी रिक्वायर इट, एंड जो आपके दिमाग में वो मेंटल ब्लॉक्स हैं कि नहीं नहीं हम पेरेंट्स हैं, हमें सब कुछ आता है, और इवन नहीं भी आता तो आप लोग गूगल कर करके सीखते हैं, बट जो स्पेशलिस्ट है वो आपको एग्जैक्टली वो चीजें बता सकता है. तो इट्स ऑलवेज गुड टू गो टू सच पीपल, एंड यहाँ पे कम्युनिटी में बहुत सारे ऐसे अमेजिंग एक्सपर्ट्स यहाँ सामने हैं अभी. सो दैट इज द थिंग आई वुड से. Rest. Thank you to each one of you for being
Thank you
here
so much.
and, you know, bringing those, though they look like a very small, छोटे छोटे वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको, बच्चों की लैंग्वेज में बोलें कि टॉफीज की तरह ही है. ठीक है, तो लेकिन आपको पता होना चाहिए कि मेरे बच्चे को कौन सी टॉफी की जरूरत है, उसको क्या पसंद है. तो आप इन सब में से वो स्वीट सी टॉफी को चुन लीजिए और अपने बच्चे को इतने प्यार से खिलाइए कि बच्चे को पता ही ना चले कि वो खा भी गया है, दवाई को भी टॉफी की तरह खा गया है. So thank you to each one of you for being here and
Thank you so much.
giving your time in the morning, ताकि
Thank you so
पेरेंट्स
much.
इस चीजों से कोई कहीं ना कुछ फायदा उठा सके. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you so
much.
Thank you
Thank you
everyone.
so much.
Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you guys.
Bye.